when your life's not crazy enough and you don't have enough things to do. Let's get into, more gardening. Why not? Oh my God. Well, happy St. Patrick's Day, everyone. I just wanted to take a couple minutes today, do a quick video on post scalping and what the lawn is looking like. I wish it was as green as this beautiful green I have on my shirt. While it's not 100% green, we definitely have a good green up coming in. Sorry about the wind, holy cow. That just came out of nowhere. Let's see if we can find a little bit better spot here. So anyway, just a quick update on the lawn. So I mowed for the first time with the cow trimmer last night. Just taking off that top layer, kind of doing the final scalp on it. I didn't get video. I already did that scalping video, and that was really the meat of all the scalping. And so here's kind of where we're at with the lawn. You can see we've got a nice green coming in, and this is in my pool area. Soil temperatures typically get a little bit warmer, being that it's got the concrete and the fence that kind of hold that warm in. And so it's definitely greening up pretty nicely. And again, I just cut it, so I took it down and give it its final kind of scalp of the year. I'm cutting it real close to a ½ inch, and I'll probably maintain it about 3/4 of an inch until I do some more lawn leveling later this summer. And I'll probably do a height of cut reset sometime in either the end of June or early July, somewhere in that time frame. Like I said, you can kind of see the areas of the grass that are or the ground temperatures are a lot warmer, and it's definitely waking right back up. So good news with these warmer temperatures. Got a little rain last night, no terrible storms, so that's always nice. And it's really kind of moving things along. All I've really done from a fertilizer perspective is put down the 13-13-13 fertilizer, and then I did put down on the back lawn humic and watered it in, and that's it. I'm going to be putting down an application of RGS, and probably in a week or so I'll probably go with another application of a better fertilizer, depending on the green up. If it takes it a little bit longer, today it's a little bit cooler out. We've had days up in the 80s, so all in all, things are progressing pretty nice. So just wanted to take a couple minutes today. Wish everybody a happy St. Patrick's Day. Hopefully you'll have a delicious green beer or enjoy a drink this afternoon. Hopefully I'll be back out in the lawn working, whether that's cleaning up some trees, bushes, shrubs, or just maybe enjoying the lawn. So happy St. Patrick's Day, and we'll see you in the lawn.